welcome back. So for today's episode, it's going to be a little bit more casual. If you don't notice this giant wrinkled banner behind me, I just moved. So this is fresh out the box, and this is for my brand new home office. You can see some wallpaper in here. So bear with me. Normally I would do this a little bit more formally and, try to put a face on for the internet, but who puts makeup on when they're moving? And I'm going to use this opportunity a little bit different. We're going to do almost a crafting video, or what I do. Recently I took over an Airbnb property, and there's a few different cottages on site, and I'm going to show you how I label our linen closets and our supplies, and that's how I keep everything organized for the variety of cleaners and helpers that we have for this property. I'm using this two parts, getting a video out because it's been a couple weeks because I've been moving. So this is going to be a little bit of a get a video out so my boss doesn't fire me, and some free marketing for the Airbnb. So we'll call it a win. But I'm going to use the PT-H110 to do this project. I love this machine. It's lightweight, it's portable, and it prints easy. I believe it goes up to 1/2 inch, which is all I needed for the linen closet. Next week, I'm going to show you an unboxing of this, how to use it, yada yada. But for today's video, I'm just going to do a quick little fast forward, show you what my linen closet looked like after I labeled it, me labeling it, that sort of thing. It's a great project. If you have an Airbnb, definitely try this. It's been really helpful for us. It helps everyone kind of understand the difference between different types of cloths, like whether you've got a drying mat or a dishcloth or a hand towel, that sort of thing. And it helps you keep track of your inventory and what you need more of, with everything has an exact spot. So again, ignore the wrinkled banner. According to Google, this will lay flat soon. If not, I owe my boss a new banner, so pray for me. Let's get started with that, and then let me know what you think.
Using the PT-H110 handheld label maker paired with a classic 1/2 inch black on white label. I've also put 8 AAA batteries into this label maker to give it power, and snapping the back on here, hitting the power button, and we're ready to rock. So for our closets, I have 3. The first I do are sheet sets, followed by comforter sets, extra blankets for the couches, and then duvet covers, and then the duvets for the cold months. In the middle, we do our bathroom towels, hand towels, different types of supplies there, shower curtains, shower mats, tablecloth, so on and so forth. And there's a lot going on, so it's easy for everyone to have it labeled, and they can grab and go. And then you'll notice on the far right, I have our, different types of toilet paper and snacks that we put in there. Just something for everybody. And again, this is with the PT-H110. Close up, you see our sheet sets, our blankets, we've got our towels, everything here lined up for everybody, ready to grab. And another thing I think is really helpful is just to, with these labels, do a corresponding sheet of what the numbers are, whether it's 5 towels, 3 towels, or a couple K-cups, just to keep track. I'll put a copy of my list right here. You can see that we do some snacks in our cottages as well. And then with the linens, it just helps keep track of what you need to have on hand and ready to go, and make sure you have enough at all times.
Hopefully you found that video helpful, or maybe inspired to label your own closet. Not everyone I know runs Airbnbs, but maybe you like to have a guest house, or you like to label things just to make it easy. I'm also going to do a video here soon of how I've labeling the inside of our cottages. That'll be fun. You can have a little sneak peek tour. We are located in Hamden, Maine. You can find us on Airbnb. We're Mainstay Cottages. I'll put a little plug in right here. Thanks, boss, for the marketing. And so that was with the PT-H110. Stay tuned for next week, and I'm going to show you how to use this, what this looks like. And I actually did all of that with the refurbished label maker. It still has the same warranty and a lot cheaper. Highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on what's to come. We're going to be focusing on that PT-H110 from now on until this label maker is done, and then we'll pick another one. If you have a label maker that you would like to see, please drop it in the comments below so we can start planning for our next series after this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.